What if I told you that you could write better YouTube scripts than 99% of creators without being a writer? And what if I told you that you could do it in 10 minutes using free AI tools? Sounds impossible, right? But it is not. It is all about the prompts. The right prompt turns generic AI garbage into a script that hooks viewers, keeps them watching, and makes them click that subscribe button. In this video, I am going to give you 10 AI prompts that write better scripts than humans. These are not random prompts. These are battle-tested, proven frameworks that I have used to generate millions of views. You can copy and paste them directly into ChatGPT or Claude. Stick around because prompt number 10 is the one that separates beginners from pros. Let us go. Prompt number 1, the hook generator. Copy this. Write 5 hooks for a YouTube video about topic. Each hook must create curiosity. Use a bold claim and be under 10 words. This gives you multiple options to test. Prompt number 2, the structure blueprint. Create a 6-part script outline for a YouTube video about topic. Include hook, problem, solution preview, roadmap, body with 3 main points, and a call to action. This gives you a proven structure. Prompt number 3, the retention enhancer. Take this script outline and add a rhetorical question every 30 seconds. Also add a pattern interrupt every 60 seconds. This keeps viewers mentally engaged. Prompt number 4, the conversational rewrite. Rewrite the script to sound like you are talking to one person, not a crowd. Use you and your constantly. Make it feel like a conversation. This builds intimacy with your audience. Prompt number 5, the pain point mirror. Identify the 3 biggest frustrations of a target audience and write a script that addresses each one. Start with empathy. This builds trust. Prompt number 6, the curiosity gap. Write a script that creates a curiosity gap in the intro and resolves it only at the end. Every section should leave a question unanswered. This keeps people watching. Prompt number 7, the emotional trigger. Add emotional triggers to the script: fear of missing out, desire for success, and relief from pain. Use specific phrases that trigger these emotions. This drives action. Prompt number 8, the story framework. Turn this script into a 3-act story. Act 1, the problem. Act 2, the struggle. Act 3, the solution. Add a turning point. This makes your script compelling. Prompt number 9, the pacing optimizer. Break the script into short sentences. No sentence should be over 15 words. Add pauses after every 3 sentences. This controls the rhythm and keeps retention high. Prompt number 10, the complete script generator. This is the one. Write a complete YouTube script on topic for a target audience. Use a conversational tone, a curiosity gap hook, a 6-part structure, rhetorical questions every 30 seconds, emotional triggers, and a strong call to action. Target, word count, words. Here are 5 unique points I want you to include. List your points. This combines everything. That is it. 10 prompts that will instantly improve your scripts. Copy them, use them, and watch your retention grow. If you want the full list of prompts in a document, I have linked it in the description. Now go write your best script, and I will see you in the next one.